In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Metatrader 5 demo account. A demo account is the safest way to learn how the platform works and practice trading with virtual funds, so you can build skills without risking real money. All you need is the Metatrader 5 desktop app and an internet connection. Start by opening Metatrader 5. At the top left, go to File, then choose Open an Account. This launches the account setup window where you tell MT5 which server to connect to and what kind of account you want. You'll see a list of broker servers. Use the search bar if needed and select a server labeled as a demo environment. Brokers host separate demo and live servers, and you want the one clearly marked for practice. If you see multiple demo options, choose the one most relevant to your region or the broker you plan to evaluate. Click Next to move on. When prompted, choose New Demo Account. This ensures you're creating a fresh practice profile rather than trying to log in with existing credentials. It's the quickest way to get a virtual balance and start testing. Next, enter your basic contact information as requested by the platform. This is typically used for account identification within the platform. Then, set your account preferences. Pick a virtual deposit amount. Common starting balances range from 10 to 100,000 units, so choose something that mirrors what you might eventually trade with to keep your practice realistic. Select your leverage as well. Leverage is the multiplier that increases your market exposure relative to your balance. Higher leverage can amplify gains and losses, so for learning, it's wise to choose a more conservative setting that helps you focus on execution and risk management. When everything looks good, click Finish. Metatrader 5 will automatically create the demo account and connect to the selected server. You'll see your new virtual balance in the toolbox or navigator panel and a connection status in the lower right corner. From here, you can open charts, place practice trades, and explore the platform's tools without any financial risk. A demo account gives you a virtual balance to experiment with, real-time market prices to simulate authentic conditions, and a safe environment to test strategies, order types, and risk controls. It's perfect for learning the interface, refining entries and exits, and building confidence before going live. One final tip. Many traders open multiple demo accounts to compare strategies, timeframes, or risk profiles side by side. It's an easy way to reset your balance or keep experiments separate as you learn. That's it. Your Metatrader 5 demo account is ready to go.